Use the water and pulled him in. My doggy's in there.
Stay back from the edge. I'm going in.
Here, boy! Come here, boy! Here, pup! Doggy, you hear me?
I found him. I got the dog. Dispatch located the animal, not responsive. Breathe. That's it. Get it out, buddy. Good boy. You're okay now. You're okay. Dispatch dog is responsive.
Almost there,
Blanket's
buddy.
ready.
Almost out.
Good. Rest her steady. He's cold but stable.
Zach, thank you.